Was geht ab, Leute? Neues Video, neues Glück. Zu Besuch hatten wir diesmal einen Audi A1, genau, mit Luft schon drin, nicht von uns verbaut. Hat von uns eine kleine Designfolierung bekommen. Das Ganze planen wir schon mit der netten Dame seit, ich glaube, vor der Essen Motorshow oder seit der Essen Motorshow auf jeden Fall. Hat ein cooles Design bekommen in Front Mint. Die Farbe ist vom Bruxerfohl des Caribbean Mint. Kennen bestimmt ganz viele, ist schon eine etwas, ich sage jetzt mal, ältere Farbe. Hier passend, ne, mein Handy auch im Mint. Just saying. Genau, Heck, genau, Front Mint, Heck in Gloss Black, sieht ziemlich geil aus. Also diese Farbkombi mit Matt und Glanz sieht ziemlich fies aus. Flo hat das Design erstellt, ganz geil geworden. Mir gefällt's. So, gerade mit Luft und mit dem ganzen Gesamtpaket ganz cool geworden. Was wollte ich noch sagen? Ja, ich glaube, es war's. Ich rede immer so schnell in den Videos, dann sind die Parts immer so schnell rum. Genau, ich hoffe, die anderen Videos bezüglich Getriebespülung etc. pp., was wir jetzt so parallel starten, gefällt euch. Dazu auch gerne in die Kommis was reinschreiben, weil wir versuchen da immer so ein bisschen euch da abzuholen, dass wir ein bisschen neuen Stoff haben, dass es nicht nur Folie ist, weil wir machen ja ganz viel mehr und hoffe, dass das auch ankommt. Also von daher, bleibt gesund. Wir sehen uns bestimmt an irgendeinem Treffen, sind ja genug, PS-Days etc. pp. Genau, bis dahin, bleibt gesund. Ciao, Kakao.
You ever come up out the cracks and try to tell me how to get it poppin' really? Way too motherfucking educated to be spending any time just talking with me. Many people waiting on me in the lobby, time to board the bus and get it in. $100,000 conversation with investors telling me they want it in. Know some women from around the way always call me when they in a jam. Used to give them all the time of day, now they scrolling through my Instagram, wishing that they did accommodate. I ain't even feel they need a grant. Never been the type to hold a grudge, I don't even love them, they ain't getting in. Why are we talking? Tell me something that I don't know. Tired of bullshit. People seem to have a boatload. Don't you see I got the fam here? These are people that been rocking with me. Don't you ever come up out the cracks and try to tell me how to get it poppin' really. Probably pop a willy, you was poppin' Zen. No sir, that ain't proper with me. Rather pop a band than a pop a cap. If you ever did my people wrong or did me dirty, you can be assured I'm not your friend. Whip the color of some pots of pants. If you were looking for someone to give you a hand, that boy, I'm not your man. No, I'm not your man, and you not my girl. Let's not get too involved. Too focused on my career now, that got you too appalled. My bad, I'm sorry, baby, it's just I become too evolved. I'm whipping in my own lane, says a lot about the two of y'all. Who'da thought I'd be really making all this money off of music, dawg? You can find me on the east side, then I'm gonna get an illusion, dawg. At my shows, everybody got up in the crowd going super hard. I ain't even gotta lie about it, you ain't even gotta doubt it. Got me asking, why are we talking? Tell me something that I don't know. Tired of bullshit. People seem to have a boatload. Don't you see I got the fam here? These are people that been rocking with me. Don't you ever come up out the cracks and try to tell me how to get it. Yeah, got me and a whole team in. Walking around feeling like He-Man. There's so much, make it right here. Take a light year for you to get even. I mean it. I drink chai tea in the evening. Yeah, drink green tea in the morning. Yeah.